Good afternoon, this is Colton with Bill Brothers Roofing and Solar. I'm doing a digital roof inspection here and an air conditioning inspection for a potential buyer in the Kensington area. We like to do these inspections to outline the current condition of the roof and then provide any recommended action. This is a flat roofing system. This is a tar and gravel system. Very old style flat roofing where you basically have a big sheet of basically tar hot mopped on the roof, where you have gravel to protect that tar. When you see it kind of get pulled away right here, then you kind of get the tar to start to crack and let water in. The main failure points on this roof are going to be the edges, where it heats up over time and then water can get directly in all the way underneath that material and into the home from the edge. You can see just these rusty nails are keeping it in place. So now we want to basically wrap the new material, which is called TPO, over the top, and then put a nice piece of metal called coping metal over the top to protect that really sensitive area. We can see TPO was actually already installed on the garage, which is a great sign. That roofer did a great job. That's what we would like to see on the main house as well. The older style that we see is torch down, which you can see over here. But you can see how it's already starting to pull up near the edges on this other house right here. And then you're still using that tar to kind of waterproof everything. The TPO is relatively the same price and is way more energy efficient and reflective of heat. We have a lot of sensitive areas where you can see the tar all starting to crack. We're seeing areas right here where the fiberglass is showing through, as you can see. And then additionally, we're seeing on the chimney, which is one of the sensitive parts where they've had a repair done, you're seeing no chimney metal, and you're just seeing a bunch of cracks starting to occur throughout. So another evidence of an area for water to intrude. We have a furnace that's from 2000. This is a 3.5 ton package unit. This heats and cools the house from the rooftop here. We need to basically resize this to a 4 ton, and then we also need to redo the curb underneath to the new size of the unit. Get this unit out of here because of the age, it's past its life expectancy, and replace all the ducting. The easiest time is when the roof is off, so we can pull up the plywood and undo the ducts. We can see a repair has been done right here. The new torch down right here on the edge because water was getting in and there was a leak right here. So they repaired this section right here. Where this scupper drain is, very sensitive section. A bunch of this tar around the skylight is cracking. As you can see, skylights are in great condition. This older material right here, this is torch down as well. This was done during the addition part. Would definitely recommend doing it at the same time. It's just a small area and you're going to get such a benefit out of replacing this and getting away from a material at the torch down that doesn't like when water ponds. Manufacturer warranty excludes it, and we're going to go to a TPO over in this area too. The clay tile sections I believe are in good condition. There's no cracked clay tiles on them, and the underlayment still has some viable life left. So we're going to go ahead and leave the clay tiles as is. Thank you very much.